What's up? What's up? This is me. This is Perception, and these are my 5 ways to instantly improve your sound quality. This one is very simple. Get yourself a pop filter that you can put to your mic. Makes your life a whole lot easier, makes your sound a whole lot better, and you're gonna thank yourself later on. A pop filter, and if you can get yourself a shield, get that too. Use those, and then that's how you improve your sound quality. The right mic distance, right? If you're too close to the mic, it's gonna cause distortion. If you're too far from the mic, you're recording the whole entire room, and there's noise in there, especially if you don't have the proper equipment. I understand you're still starting out, you don't have sound panels, you don't have a mic shield or whatever. So this can help you. The right distance, find the sweet spot, right? Don't be too far, don't be too close. Just find a middle ground there where your voice sounds the best. Room treatment. If you're starting out, you don't have a budget for proper professional studio panels, try to DIY it. Use whatever you can find. You can use blankets, hang them on the wall, use curtains, fill the room with curtains, use whatever that you can find to stop the echoes or the sound bouncing around in the room that you're recording in, right? And always make sure that you record while there's no noise around. Try to have a space where there's no noise and you can record in peace. Level discipline. So what do I mean by that? When you're recording your signal coming in to your DAW from your mic, you want to adjust the level that's coming in to at least minus 6 dB, right? Mine always stays at minus 7.5 dB. That's like 70%. I don't record the entire noise of the room, and I don't clip also. So it's the right amount of signal coming in that I can later on manipulate while I'm mixing my stuff. Now that you understand mic etiquette and your room is somewhat soundproofed, and now you're practicing level discipline, number 5 is very crucial. EQ and compression. Make those two things your friend, and you will always have the best sounding quality music, right? Take lessons, go on YouTube, learn how to use those two things. Before you do a bunch of other things, master those two things so that your sound is balanced and your sound is polished, and there's no way you can't win.